Questions for all competitive exams. 1. Jurisdiction of which High Courts covers the Union Territory of Lakshadweep, Kerala HC. 2. The Indian Parliament passed the States Reorganization Act in which year? 1956. 3. Which case determined that the preamble is a part of the Constitution? Keshwananda Bharati case. 4. How many times Indian Constitution has been amended? 1 or 1. 5. Which committee was appointed by the Government of India in 1986 to revitalize Panchayati Raj institutions for democracy and development? LM. Singhvi Committee. 6. A national emergency on the grounds of security threat is proclaimed under which article? A. 352. 7. By which amendment Delhi was designated as National Capital Territory? 69th CAA. 8. In India, a three-tier panchayat is envisaged for states which have a population above 20 lakhs. 9. Who presides over the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Thus, on which date a separate constituent assembly was set up for Pakistan? 3 June 1947. 11. How many subjects are in the Union list? 97. 12. On which date Constitution of India was adopted and enacted by the Constituent Assembly? 26 November 1947. 13. What is the lowest stage of the local government? Gram Panchayat. 14. Who has been the only Lok Sabha speaker to have become the President of India? Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 15. Which constitutional article lays down qualification for becoming a voter? A. 326. 16. Who was the Defence Minister of India during the Indo-China War of 1962? V.K. Krishna Menon. 17. Which part of Constitution emphasizes the welfare aspect of the state? DPSP Director Principles of State Policy. 18. Who was the Supreme Commander of India's Armed Forces? President of India. 19. When was All India Services Act enacted? 15 October 1951. 20. Once a budget has been presented in the parliament, the government has to get all money bills related to the union budget passed within 75 days. 21. After how many years is the President of USA is elected? 4 years. 22. Which has been the most amended is also the most controversial fundamental right? Right to property. Ace. What is the current age of retirement of judges from Supreme Courts and High Courts respectively in India? 65 years or 62 years. 24. In India, President is elected by which method? Single transferable vote. 25. Till now, the preamble of Constitution of India has been amended for how many times? Once. 26. Who was competent to dissolve the Rajya Sabha? No one. 27. Which were the first two states in India to establish? 26. Who was competent to dissolve the Rajya Sabha? No one. 27. Which were the first two states in India to establish a Panchayati Raj in 1956? Rajasthan or Andhra Pradesh? 28. Which writ examines the functioning of subordinate courts? Certiorari. Which writ examines the functioning of subordinate courts? Certiorari. Which writ examines the functioning of subordinate courts? Certiorari. 29. The concept of fundamental duties of Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country? Russia, former USSR.